Nerdy friends, this is Pat with Nerdy Friends doing nerdy things. Just thought I'd show you the snow-covered pond. It's awful pretty. Alright, so I kind of have another question, but I'm not sure how to frame it. Has to do, what the F? Okay, you see this? Well, last night, about 3:30 in the morning, we heard a bunch of fireworks going off. What the F? 3:30 in the morning. Somebody, and this makes it look like we did this. Look how close that is to our yard. We have to call the cops next time. Oh, somebody here in the neighborhood's been firing off fireworks at night, during the day, every night. I don't know if they bought like thousands of dollars worth of fireworks or what the heck's going on. But that's not cool. So anyway, I was sent a comment about the weather, how Oklahoma gets its wind, mainly I think from like up north, Montana, and how storm fronts move south and southwest, which I think they come from that direction, because I know this last winter storm we had and the next one coming, it's coming from the north, but it's moving east. So anyway, what she was wondering was because the winds has something to do with the earth rotating on its axis. So she was wondering if that could possibly be proof that the earth is not flat. So any comments on that? If that could be actually used as some sort of proof that the earth is not flat. Oh wow, how bright is that? That's pretty. So anyway, so let's try that as a question. Anybody have any information on that? It would be appreciated. Get in the comments, like, subscribe, share, all those things. Well, to keep this short, I'm going to go for now. I am going to continue talking, and I will put the longer version of this video up this evening. So, have a nerdy day, and I'll see you on the flip side. Okay, alright nerdy friends, what are we going to talk about this morning? What do I feel like rambling about? So my husband and I, because of this question, we were discussing it this morning, and I had an idea. I thought, well, maybe we should record ourselves having a discussion like that and put it up on the channel. I think that could be interesting. We have a lot of pretty interesting, intelligent conversations and discussions. Maybe we'll just do something like that. Let me know below in the comments what you think of that idea. And, maybe we can have a full community discussion. Sounds fun to me. I still have yet to do that thing I wanted to do with setting up an area, taking a photo, and then changing something in the area to for like a what's missing or what's the difference kind of fun game. Anybody else have any cool little fun game games that we could play, like in shorts or on videos together? Information swapping, all that fun stuff. Because as I've said before, I started this out with a group, and the group is pretty much dissipated, and it's kind of all just me doing this for now. Now when it warms up, I'm sure I'll probably be doing some more. We'll get out and do some more metal detecting. Excuse me. And trying to find places to magnet fish. But all the water bodies around here are all man-made, and they don't really have like stuff in them. And apparently the government owns the land by the river that you used to be able to go down there and go fishing and whatnot. But I guess not anymore. Excuse me. And our local state park, Boiling Springs, I guess you used to be able to metal detect and magnet fish there, but now no longer can do that. So, kind of really don't have much of a use for my fishing magnet. Also, don't have a vehicle to remove anything I do find from the space area. So, kind of gonna have to wait on that one for a while till we get this. My husband inherited a pickup truck, and his sister took it up to Kansas. So we don't have the pickup truck he inherited because it's in another state. So yeah, she pretty much took everything up there, which I understand at the time my husband was truly grieving because he had just lost his father. But I mean, it's just, I don't know. It's just not right. But anyway, there you go, Monster. There's another train. Well, and since the train's going by, tell you what, have a nerdy day, and I'll see you on the flip side.